Boracay, white beach, sunset, and the crowd. Yun nga lang, medyo overwhelming para sa iba. Pero kung lalayo ka ng konti sa usual na route, makakakita ka ng ibang side ng isla na mas tahimik. Mas konti ang tao, mas presko ang hangin, at mas mabagal ang takbo ng araw. At nandoon ang isang hidden spot na sadyang ginawa dahil sa isang espesyal na rason. Ready ka na ba na i-discover ito? Tara, explore natin ang Boracay Amor ng Sitio Diniwid, Barangay Balabag, Boracay Island, Malay, Aklan. Boracay Amor Apartments is located at Bukid Way, Diniwid, Barangay Balabag, Boracay Island, Malay, Aklan. It's a good 15 to 20 minute travel from Cagban Jetty Port. Hindi ka mahihirapang makarating dito. Pwede kang sumakay sa E-Trike Terminal sa Cagban Jetty Port at magpahatid diretso sa Boracay Amor. Pero para mas convenient, you can arrange for a pickup from Caticlan Airport hanggang sa Boracay Amor mismo.
So you can go here, from airport to here to Boracay Amor, you can arrange airport transfer. Dito po kayo yan mismo dadalhin sa gate and the reception of Boracay Amor.
Huwag kayong matatakot sa paakyat na daan. Kasama yun sa adventure. Pero kung hindi na talaga carry, their staff is always ready to assist you.
Also, we offer naman guest assistance. Siguro that you would notice we are uphill and our rooms are accessible by stairs. So we offer luggage assistance po from check-in and check-out. So the guests, wala na po silang iisipin pa. They will be more relaxed and mas convenient po sa kanila. From check-in to check-out.
At once na nasa gate na kayo, dun nyo makikitang it's all worth it. Dito sa area ng Bukid Way, Diniwid, mas mararamdaman nyo yung mix ng highland and beach vibe. It's because high ground dito. Kaya mas ramdam mo talaga ang preskong hangin mula sa mga puno sa paligid at mula sa dagat. Pero teka, bakit nga ba dito? Sa lapad ng beaches sa baba, bakit dito sa taas? Well, it all boils down to one word: love.
Basically, Boracay Amor is built out of love. Kasi nga, yung couple, nag-meet sila sa Boracay. Yung tawagan nila is Amore. So that's why the name is Boracay Amor also. And then, the owners, the couple, na-discover nila yung place. So, they went uphill. Actually, they climbed the tree to check the view. If ano po yung makikita nila, if they build at least 2 to 3 story building. And nakita nila the panoramic view of Boracay Island. So, from Station 1 up to Station 3, makita po yung beach. Plus, it has also the sunset view. One of the best sunset view in Boracay. So, doon na in love yung couple. They fell in love with the place. So then, from that point, they decided to buy it. We started to build 2015. So, 2016, we started to cater guests.
Ang setup ng Boracay Amor ay apartment style. Mas malalaki ang units kumpara sa typical hotel rooms sa isla. May mga one-bedroom, at multi-bedroom options, kaya pwede ito sa mga couples, families, or mga grupo.
All of the suites have kitchen, so the guests can stay longer as well. So Boracay also is a home away from home.
Para din ito sa mga gustong magstay ng mas matagal, tulad ng mga remote workers or mga digital nomads.
We have tenants staying with us for 7 years, 3 years, because mostly they travel alone and they just wanted to work from home.
Isa sa mga advantages ng location nito ay malapit lang ito sa mga essentials like grocery stores. At may mga mini markets din sa Diniwid Road.
Along Diniwid Road, you can buy your fruits, your vegetables, and meats.
May free shuttle services din sila na pwedeng maghatid sa inyo dito o pababa sa Diniwid Beach para hindi na kayo mapagod maglakad. Dahil may sariling kitchen ang units, may option ng guests na magluto ng sarili nilang pagkain. At kung ayaw nyo magluto, may breakfast service din sila for in-house guests.
Yeah, we serve food for breakfast only. So the guests can avail their breakfast here free, or they can also order if they wanted to order additional breakfast for their kids.
Para naman sa mga gustong kumain sa labas, may recommended and partner restaurants din sila sa isla. At kung mas gusto mong magstay sa room,
They can order from outside because there's also a food delivery service naman dito sa island.
aside sa accommodation, may ilang additional experiences din na available. May pool area para sa mga in-house guests. May mga selected rooms din na may jacuzzi. Kung gusto mo talagang mag-relax, meron naman silang massage services na pwede mong subukan. At para naman sa may mga espesyal na okasyon,
They can request to arrange a romantic dinner setup at an extra fee. Pero minimal lang po yung charge namin sa guest. That's our penthouse suite where you can see the whole stretch of Boracay with the sunset view. So from sunset time till night time po yung service namin for romantic dinner services from 6 p.m. to 8 in the evening.
isa sa pinaka-practical na advantage ng Boracay Amor ay ang location nito. Malapit ito sa stations 1, 2, and 3, kung saan nandun ang beach activities and nightlife.
If they want to do the party, they can party in Station 1 or Station 2, and then they can go back here at Boracay Amor. They can relax here. They can recharge also.
Pagkatapos ng araw sa beach o gabi sa party, may option kang bumalik sa mas tahimik na environment. Kung gusto mo naman ng mas relaxed na beach experience, ilang minutes lang ang layo nila sa Diniwid Beach.
And we are also near Diniwid Beach. It's a more private beach, hindi siya crowded. Diniwid Beach is a 5 minutes or less walk.
Mas konti ang tao dito compared sa main stations ng Boracay. Hindi ito beachfront property. At kung hindi ka sanay sa stairs o sa mga akyatan, baka hingalin ka dito ng konti. Pero promise, pagdating mo sa taas at nakita mo na yung view, mawawala ang pagod mo. For sure, worth it ang bawat step.
Boracay Amor Apartments is located at Bukidway, Diniwid, Balabag, Boracay Island, Malay Aklan. It's very convenient because you can go here from airport to here to Boracay Amor, or from the port, you can just tell the tuk-tuk or the e-trike driver to bring you to Boracay Amor. Please do search us through our social media pages. We have Facebook, Instagram, also now we are on TikTok as well. It's Boracay Amor Apartments, and for the website naman po, you can also check our rooms, our facilities and amenities, and you can book online through our website www.boracayamor.com. And for faster response po sa mga inquiries po ninyo, you can message directly our Facebook page or through our WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp is +63 949 886 0024. We are on the quiet side of Boracay. If you wanted a tranquil, a serene, a peaceful holiday, if you don't like a lot of photo bombers on your sunset photo shoot, go here in Boracay Amor Apartments. I hope you can also try to visit Boracay Amor Apartments.
Sa isang lugar na kilala sa dami ng tao, may mga bahagi pa rin ng Boracay na mas kalmado. At dito, sa Boracay Amor Apartments, sa Bukid Diniwid, Barangay Balabag, Boracay Island, Malay, Aklan, mas tahimik ang paligid. Mas mabagal ang oras. At parang mas madaling magpahinga. Samahan niyo ulit ako sa susunod upang tuklasin ang Panay, isang biyahe, isang kwento at a time. Ako si Peach Ledesma at ako ang inyong Panay Explorer.